How I made $100 Clickfunnels affiliate commission in 12 days without spending a single dime on ads. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how I made $100 Clickfunnels affiliate commission. So if you want to know how I made $100 in Clickfunnels affiliate commission, then yes, go and watch this video till the end, right? And yes guys, before telling this, I just want to say that if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing business and know nothing from where to start your affiliate marketing business, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and read my book, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. Down below there is a link. Go and get this book. In this book, I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. Right? So yes, without any delay, let I show you how I made $100 Clickfunnels affiliate commission in 12 days without spending a single dime on ads. Right? So guys, now here, actually, you know that I do my you can say affiliate marketing through Facebook organic way, right? So what happens? Person approached to me, right, on you can say October 20th through Facebook Messenger, right? And through Facebook Messenger, he said, "Hey man," and my reply was with his name, right? So hi, and then he said, "Hey man, what's up?" Then my reply was, "All good. What about you?" Right? Then guys, then he asked me that, "Bro, you make videos every day?" Then I answered, "Yes, I make." Then how you don't run out of ideas? Then my reply was, "Ha, simple. I document my journey rather thinking how to create content." Guys, these are the conversation that I was having with that guy, right, in my Facebook Messenger. That I'm showing you exactly what were those conversation, guys, right? Then finally he asked me that, does OFA teach something related to AM? It's affiliate marketing, right? So actually he's into affiliate marketing and he knows about OFA. It's a one funnel away challenge training by Russell Brunson, where you will learn how to start your online business step by step, right? By the way, if you want to join, then yes, down below I have put the link. You can go and check out what this OFA is all about, right? So yes, so here my answer, yes bro, without any doubt, in OFA challenge you learn the strategy blueprint on how to start your online business selling your own product or someone else's product as an affiliate marketer through sales funnel, right? So here I'm giving information about one funnel away challenge. Then finally, so blueprint is same, so it's up to you whether you want to apply the strategy to promote your own product or affiliate product like me, right? So yes, if you want more details on it, then you can read my review on my blog. Let me know if you want to check it out. Yes, I do want to see it. So yes, here what I did, guys, I gave him you can say link to my blog, that is whateveriknow.com, and on my blog I have reviewed about one funnel away challenge. So I gave the link of, you can see that, right? So that was the link that I have given to him, right? So he said, "All right bro, I will check it out in a bit." My brother bro, it was from my side, because just woke up, and yes, then I said, "Yes, please check it out as you get time, and if there is anything, then let me know," right? Then here guys, our conversation was ended, right? Now here conversation ended. Then that guy again, you can say, approached me on 2nd November. He approached me through Facebook Messenger again and said, here you will see that what happens. "Hey man, hi bro, I'm ready broski to purchase OFA." Guys, can you see that? He's ready to buy one funnel away challenge. That's awesome bro from my side. I already went through your funnel. Guys, you will see what happens, or you can say what happened during these days, right from October 20th to the day like when he bought one funnel away challenge on 2nd November, right? So between this period, he checked my profile, he went through my funnel, he read my ebook, which I have told you right now. It's a you can say affiliate commission secrets, right? So this is the book that he read between these period, right? And then he said that, hey, I felt pretty familiar with your story. Somewhere he resonated with my story, guys, right? So, and then he told that I read your whole book non-stop. Non-stop. This is huge, right? And I said, wow, this is freaking awesome, brother. Then he said, like in 40 minutes, I read your book, right? So I will tell you, yeah, I will show you my book, my funnel, my profile. Don't worry, right? Don't worry, I will show you. Then I said, great, bro. Send me your OFL link, brother, and give those bonuses too. Point to note, bonuses, right? So yes, he asked me that give me your OFL link, right? By the way, I have put my own OFL link down below where you can check out my bonuses too, right? So yes, finally I told him that sure, bro, I sent you a link. Yes, bro, before clicking on my link, please delete the cookies all time from your browser and open link using incognito or private window, and do check my affiliate ID. It's 650467, right? So guys, I'm showing you exact conversation that I was having with this person, right? So yes, here instead giving my direct OFL link, I sent this person to affiliate bootcamp training. Actually, he was looking for somewhere affiliate marketing, right? So with this link, he will be having you can say affiliate bootcamp training where there are, you can say, 15 experts who have revealed their strategy to start online affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So yes, so that way that person will be having videos of these 15 experts for life, right? Plus he will be getting affiliate bootcamp ebook, right? It's the same ebook, right? So in that ebook they have revealed their exact strategy, exact blueprint, right? So considering, guys, understand this, I'm giving what he is looking for, what he wants, right? So rather sending direct to you can say one funnel away challenge, I'm sending this person to affiliate bootcamp training, right? So as soon as he submitted, then his name and email address, then on the next page he will be going to one funnel away challenge training, right, as an upsell, right? So I sent this link. So I just talked about that what he's going to get, right? So on the next page you will find OFA as upsell after submitting your email, right? And with this link you will be getting access to affiliate bootcamp training of 15 experts for life plus affiliate bootcamp ebook, right? Same thing, right? So yes, then he went through my link and he told me that, is this your affiliate ID? And I confirmed, yes, this is mine. And I also told him that please take screenshots. Then he said, okay, all right, just double checking. Then guys, finally he sent me a message, hey, I have just bought, right? So I told him, that's awesome, bro. Let me know when you are ready for call. Actually, I'm giving a coaching call for free when someone joins one funnel away challenge through my link. And then I told to him, please send me the receipt at this email, that is contact@whateveriknow.com, so I can send you bonuses, right? That I promised to him. Yes, also send me your address with your phone number so I can ship the book .com secrets. Actually, I'm also offering this .com secrets book for free when someone joins one funnel away challenge through my link. So guys, can you see the things? Can you see the conversation, right? And I will show you that what made him to buy one funnel away challenge through my link, right? So here I said to him, hey, thank you so much, bro, for putting trust on me to go with OFA challenge. Then He said, no problem, man. Your story got me hooked, to be honest with you. Your story. Guys, can you see that? Your story. Because it is exactly what is happening to me right now. That's why, guys, it is very, very important to tell your story, because story sells, right? So stop selling feature, start selling story, right? So yes, you can tell your story, guys, right, in your funnel. Plus, you seem to be a great dude. Yeah, you need to be honest, guys, right? This is very, very important. Right. So guys, now finally, can you see all these factors, or you can say ingredients, right, that made him from cold person to hot. Cold, somebody who just knew, right? He was not knowing to me, right? And then finally he became my customer. He bought my one of the affiliate product that I am promoting, right? So all these factors made him to buy one funnel level challenge through me. What are those? Let I tell you step by step. Simply, he went through my profile, Facebook profile, right? And then he went through my bio, and from there he clicked on my one of the, you can say, link, right? Like it was my book link, right? From there he got my book. He read my book in one go within 40 minutes, right? And yes, in my ebook he also read my story, and from there he strongly resonated with my story, right? And yeah, no doubt he also found my book valuable, right? And then finally he also went through my this link, OFA training, right? digitalaffiliatebusiness.com/OFA training, right? So with this link he also got to know about the bonuses that I'm offering, right? So my Facebook bio, right? So this is the second thing. Third thing, he, yeah, no doubt he watched my videos that I you can say that I do on daily basis. You can say it's my vlog, right? Or that I do on daily basis on my Facebook profile. So that way he was thinking like, yeah, this dude is real, right? And he is providing some great value, right, through video, right? So that somewhere that made him like curious to know more about me, right? To check everything about me. Then yes, as I told you, right, he went through my blog whateveriknow.com, right, where I reviewed about one funnel away challenge, right? So there I gave more information about one funnel away challenge, right? So my affiliate sales funnel, right, this is my funnel, so through which he got my ebook, that is affiliate commission secrets book, right? And this is my ebook where he read the content about affiliate marketing business, plus he read my story, right, my story. And yeah, these are my bonuses that I'm offering. https colon slash www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com/OFA training. So this is the exact link he went through and checked all my bonuses, right? So guys, and finally, after going through everything, finally he made the decision to buy one funnel away challenge through my link, and I made $100 in Clickfunnels affiliate commission. So guys, can you see his journey from cold to hot? And it took him 12 days to finally buy this, you can say, to buy this one funnel away challenge through my link, right? Let I show you my actual profile. So this is my profile, guys, right? This is my profile, right? And where you can see this is my link of my book that I am giving away, right? Yeah, you can see, right? This is my book, and this is my, you can say, bonus page, right, where I'm offering bonuses when someone joins one funnel away challenge through my link. My 30-day OFA mentorship, 5-day binge super affiliate marketing mastery training, right, done for you funnel, This is the exact funnel that made me over $20,000 in commission, right? Affiliate commission. And with this funnel, I promote 5 products in one time, right? And headline script generator, .com secrets book, right? And coaching call recording with Jacob Carriage, who's 6-figure super affiliate, 5-day emails, 5 files to promote one funnel of a challenge, right? And 3 hand-picked high-ticket programs, 16 best affiliate programs, funnel hacker cookbook that I'm giving away for free, marketing secrets black book. It's a binge guide that I'm giving away for free, lead funnel swipe files. It is for someone who wants to know how to get leads, right? That I'm giving away for free. Network marketing secrets book that I'm giving away for free when someone joins one funnel level challenge through my link. It is for a person who is into affiliate, or you can say network marketing or MLM, and if they want to recruit more people, right? Strategy call template. If you want to get quality leads, then yes, this template is for you, right? Niche clarification template. If you don't know what is my niche, then yes, this template will help you to know what is my niche, right? Bonus template. If you don't know what bonus to offer to promote your affiliate offer so that you can stand out from the competition, then yes, this bonus template will help you. Clickfunnels video training, then traffic wars, right, where I have revealed how to get free traffic so you can promote your affiliate offer. Bridge page video script, right, where you will be able to sell your affiliate product within 5 minutes or less through this bridge page video script. And 10-day Facebook live challenge. It's a challenge where you will be like, you will be able to face the camera confidently, and you will be able to sell your stuff confidently by doing this 10-day Facebook live challenge. So you can see these are the bonuses that made him, right, curious to buy one funnel level challenge through my link, right? So guys, now you know how I made $100 Clickfunnels affiliate commission in 12 days, right? So these are the factors that made him to register for one funnel level challenge through my link. And when he joined, I made $100 in commission, because Clickfunnels gives you $100 in commission when you make sale of one funnel level challenge, right? So yes guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if you have any questions, then yes, you can ask your question down below and I will answer to your questions, right, personally. And yes, if you haven't joined to my channel, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and hit that bell notification button as well as red button, so and subscribe to my channel. And if you hit that bell notification button, then yes, you will be getting my notification about my upcoming training that I do on affiliate marketing, right? So yes, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and join my channel, right? So yes guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.